The Rogue Ridge RF750. Unbox your bike. Remove any extra packaging. Start with your front tire. Unscrew the nuts on both sides of the axle. Line up the frame and roll the wheel into place. Make sure the brake pads line up with the brake disc. Return the nuts on either side of the wheel and everything is properly in place. Next, you'll need the Allen wrench that came with your bike. Unscrew and remove the plastic cap where the handlebars attach. On the handlebars, open the hinge. Loosen the screws at its base with the Allen wrench. Place the handlebars atop the fork steering tube and reinstall the plastic cap and screw combo from before. Tighten this screw to hold the fork tight against the frame. Align the handlebars and tighten the two screws in the stem. Then close the handlebar hinge. Ensure the handlebars and front wheel are straight and aligned properly. Find the bike seat. Open the hinge on the frame and slide it directly into place. Tighten the screw and close the latch to seal the seat into place. Distinguish which pedal is which and screw it into place, using a wrench to tighten them into place. Keep in mind the left pedal is reverse threaded and will screw in counterclockwise. Line up the wheel guard and the front light with the front bolt. Tighten the bolt into place, making sure the light is upright. Then tighten again. Connect the two wires from the light with the wire from the handlebar. Remove the four front bolts and attach the basket using the Allen wrench to secure it back into place. Perform any last checks on the bike, making sure the seat, pedals, wheels, and handlebars are securely fastened. Properly inflate your tires and you're ready to ride.